Okay guys, welcome back in this lecture which is about traveling to the mountain. Well, I will talk about hiking the mountains that are next to Marrakech. Especially, I will talk about the mountain village called Imlil, where lots of tourists go. Either to hike in the nature in Atlas Mountains, or to climb the highest mountain in Morocco called Topka, with a 4165 meters mark. And to go to Imlil, you have to take a large taxi from the taxi station in Sidi Mamoun, next to Jamlefna. The taxi will cost you 30 Moroccan dirhams, about $3. And once you get to Imlil, you will notice that there is a big difference between Imlil and Marrakech. And the first thing that you will notice is the weather. The weather is totally different between Marrakech and Imlil, because Imlil is a bit cold other than Marrakech. Also, the accommodation and provision are everywhere, and you can easily reserve a guest house or hotel. And after booking, here are some sights to see. The first one is the waterfall. Well, the waterfall is about 1 kilometer on the center of Imlil. And to get there, just ask one local to tell you where the waterfall is. And don't hesitate to ask about anything because people in Imlil are very friendly. And the second site to visit is Arround village. Arround village is just 1 mile after the waterfall. You will find Arround village that offers a nice view of the Topkal mountain because it is in the road of this mountain. And in this village, you will enjoy the Berber culture and tradition. Well guys, I'm not gonna spoil it on you. I will let you discover the beauty of this village by yourself. So, see you in the next lecture.